No one talks about the transition from summer fashion to fall fashion. It's like all of a sudden, it's September 22nd, Fashion Week is afoot, and all the girlies are wearing scarves in 75-degree weather. But that stops today. This video has 11 outfits that you can wear whether it's still warm or just slightly chilly where you live. They're all outfits that you can dress up or down depending on how much attention you want, and of course I'm including accessories for you guys. During the video, I'll be letting you guys know whether I bought the items in store or whether I thrifted them, but if you have any other questions besides that, you can let me know in the comments. So without further ado, I'm xxotomi. Welcome to my channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and let's get started. So the first outfit I have for you guys is actually the one that I'm wearing right now. It's a denim on denim look, and so it's perfect for the summer to fall transition. You can wear this with any crop top you like, but I think wearing a low-waisted bottom with this look really ties it together. For your matching denims, you want to make sure that you're not wearing more than 2 different colors, so I recommend to only stick to 2 denims for this look, or if you want to accessorize with more denim, then I recommend that you find 2 pieces that have the exact same denim color. I got this oversized jean jacket from Urban Outfitters, and then the jeans miniskirt is actually from Old Navy, but it's an upcycled item that I thrifted, but the tag says Old Navy. This outfit is perfect for the summer to fall transition simply because you can wear the tank top alone, or when it gets chilly again, then you can put the jacket on. So I have these jeans that I wear both high-waisted and low-waisted sometimes, but again, I think the outfit looks best with the low-waisted look. Also, because this outfit seems a little bit more summer preppy, I like to wear it with my dark combat boots. That way it just adds a bit of a fall vibe to it. And then I keep the accessories kind of minimal for this one because double jeans with combat boots is a pretty bold look. Hi, Tommy from the future here. I just want to say that I will definitely be coming back to this video personally to figure out what I'll be wearing on certain days because I made so many different outfits out of the clothes that I've had for a while. Anyways, you guys can do the same. If you have nothing to wear, come to this video as many times as you'd like. This next outfit is something that leans more towards dressing down. I personally think it's a perfect outfit for when you go out or you go to class and you just want to have a low-key look, but you still want to look like you put in effort. The combination of this hoodie and the plaid miniskirt makes it seem like you put in effort, but not too much effort. And when you dress it up is where it starts to stand out a little bit more. When choosing outfits, I like to pay attention to some of the accent colors. I noticed that there was white in the skirt, so I decided to pair it with my white sneakers and some white socks. To me, that makes it look a little bit more preppy. And then obviously I have a pearl necklace on and some little jewelry. And then from here, I can put my hair if I want and put it up or leave it down, depending on how casual I want to look. Also for this look, I think having jewelry, specifically rings, would make the outfit get tied together a lot more because again, you want to make it look like you put effort into your total look, but not too much effort into the outfit. With this outfit, you can choose to wear a shirt on the inside or not, depending on whether you're going to be taking off your jacket during the school day or not. I think this outfit works best without a top on the inside, simply because I get to wear it and not feel overheated when I'm wearing it. So this next outfit I think can be dressed up pretty well. This time I'm wearing the blue jeans high-waisted with a belt that complements the black lace top and some black combat boots that tie the look together. Accessorizing for this one feels like it could be really minimal, and the focus, if you want, can be on your earrings or your hairstyle. Also, depending on if you want it to be a bit more casual or a little bit more sexy, you can choose whatever bra you want to wear on the inside. For this look, I'm wearing a sports bra just to make it a bit more casual, but you can also wear a bralette or a normal bra underneath if you want, depending on if you're going out during the day or at night. This next outfit, I decided to go heavy on the accessories. It's this green dress with a black jeans combo. Now before you judge the fit, hear me out. Of course, you don't have to wear the exact items that I'm wearing, but a dress with jeans is really cute, and here's how you can accessorize it. Listen to the silhouette of the dress and choose your neck jewelry based off of that. Gold looks really good on me, so I'm wearing a long gold necklace to complement the neckline. I also think a gold scarf would help brighten up the look, so I dressed it up with that. And if I had a gold cuff for my arm, then I definitely would wear one. And then as for shoes, this can be dressed up or dressed down. Personally, I like the heels to this outfit, although I could wear it with my black combat boots. This outfit just takes me back to the early 2000s when I was a kid, but I wish I could dress this way.
The outfit's definitely a bit bold, but I can totally see it being worn on university campus or on a night in the city.
This next outfit is a bit more casual and will definitely keep you warm during your summer to fall transition. I have this wool crop top that I thrifted paired with these cargo pants that I thrifted, and these two paired together just makes the outfit look really chill. This outfit looks really good with a focus on bottom half accessories, so I'll wear a simple pearl necklace and some simple earrings, but I like to tie an accent color belt with these cargo pants and then wear some tennis shoes that will just make the outfit look relaxed.
The accessories you choose definitely change the vibe of the outfit, so if you want a cute vibe, lighter accessories are best, but if you want a more chill vibe, then darker accessories work really well. I put on my dark belt and some Converse to make it look a bit more cool.
This next outfit is perfect for if you want to cover up a little bit more or just not show your waistline. It's a large oversized top with a knit maxi skirt that I think pair together really well to create a relaxed and flowy outfit. I would wear it with my black combat boots and then some silver hoop earrings, an accent necklace, and some shorts underneath simply because the skirt is sheer. I think for this look as well, putting my hair up is helpful, but you have to play the outfit off of your body type and how oversized the clothes you have are.
I was honestly surprised by how good this outfit looked, and I can definitely see it being worn in a study cafe while you're looking cute getting your work done.
This next outfit I think is really cute and it gives me low-key Clueless vibes. It's a knit double zipper top with a pleated flare skirt. I think the combination of this tan and the blue just work really well together, especially with some black combat boots. And the outfit will also look really cute with a white headband or my gold scarf. I also decided to wear a good amount of rings with this outfit, and I also decided that my gold jewelry set would look really good with this outfit simply because it adds a bit more sparkle to it. I got the skirt at a shop in South Korea and I thrifted the top.
Again, accessories and styling is everything for an outfit, so I went ahead and put on this matching jewelry set along with a claw clip with a different hairstyle and some heels to make the outfit look a bit more put together.
This next outfit I think is super cute for a mature but not super conservative look. It's a blazer with this plaid knit mini skirt and then a white tank top on the inside. Obviously, you can choose any combination of colors for this outfit, but again, for an outfit idea, I think it's really cute to have these paired together. Paying attention to the silhouette will really make the outfit stand out, but I think this outfit looks great when it's accessorized with rings, a gold jewelry set, some boots, and hair clips. I thrifted both of these items, but I do know that the skirt is from Forever 21. This next outfit is super casual, and I actually feel kind of like a K-drama character when I wear it. This outfit looks kind of like what the main character would be wearing when she's just walking around her house on her off day. I feel like it's super cute to have the shorts, but with a large bomber jacket. This combination creates a fun silhouette because you have a bit of leg showing, but your entire top is covered. I like to pair this with my blue jean bucket hat, white socks, and some white sneakers to complement the top. Again, if it is a bit hotter outside, you can always wear a tank top on the inside and take off the jacket and put it on as you please. I think this outfit looks good with low effort jewelry, so just a simple necklace and some earrings, and maybe your favorite ring. This last outfit is a perfect example of just paying attention to details. I have this red grape colored top that has tan thread running through it, and so I paired it with my tan jeans. These are high-waisted carpenter jeans that I got from Urban Outfitters, and I like to wear them with my black belt in combination with my black combat boots. I wish I could pick a better cardigan for this outfit, but it would look really cute with one. I just have this white one, for example. As for accessories, I would keep this outfit pretty simple.
To show you guys how to style this outfit a bit more comfortably, I chose some comfortable flare pants to match with the flowy cardigan.
So those are the outfits. I hope you guys have fun going through your closet and recreating the outfits based off of what you have. And if you have any videos that you'd like me to make, let me know. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for staying to watch. And as always, thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys back on my channel and or in the next video. Bye! No one talks about the transition from summer fashion to fall fashion. It's like all of a sudden the girls... Again. No one talks... Okay. Okay, and good. Why am I laughing? 3, 2. No one talks about the transition from summer fashion to fall fashion. It's like all of a sudden, it's September 22nd, the girlies are... It's fashion week is a flip. Fashion week is a flip.